Do I have to talk with the nurse case manager that the insurance company has assigned to my case? The short answer is no, you don't. These nurse case managers, up until a change in the law in 2007, were not even allowed in the file. There's an old case called Brown v. Bilo that allowed lawyers and clients, claimants, to keep those nurse case managers out of their case. But the legislature changed the law in 2007, and as it currently is, and of course you always want to check the current law to make sure that, you know, whatever rules are in effect right now. But the current law is that the nurse case manager is allowed to participate in the case, but there's nothing that requires you as the claimant to deal with that nurse case manager. You're entitled to several things under the law. You know, when you go in to meet with your doctor, you're allowed to have a private meeting with your doctor. The nurse case manager can set the appointment with the doctor's office. The nurse case manager can come in and speak with the doctor after you've had your private appointment and consultation with the doctor and in your presence. But you would never want a situation where the nurse case manager is coming in with you to what should be your private meeting with your physician to talk about your medical treatment, your injuries, and your medical care. You want to, you don't want someone in the room that is putting pressure on the doctor from the insurance company's interest while you're trying to have an honest, straightforward conversation about your injuries and what can be done about them. And so the short answer is they are allowed in the case. However, you do not have to speak with them about your claim or tell them anything about your injuries or your limitations or your successes and failures as you go through the medical treatment. I'd advise you very strongly that if a nurse case manager is in the file, that you proceed with caution. You have to remember who's paying their bill. The insurance company has hired them, and at the end of the day, while they may be nice to you, their interests are aligned with, and their paycheck is coming from the insurance company, and and that's why you should proceed with caution.
Injured at work? Time to call your lawyers. Time to call Howell and Christmas. Call Law 0123 now. Law 0123.